The 1970 Dodge Charger RT is more than just a muscle car. It's a symbol of American automotive power and style from a golden era. With its aggressive stance, iconic Coke bottle design, and raw V8 power, the Charger RT of 1970 has etched its place in history as one of the most revered performance cars of its time. It was the final year of the second-generation Charger, and Dodge made sure it went out with a bang. Slight updates in design, a powerful engine lineup, and a presence that couldn't be ignored helped cement the 1970 RT as a true legend. First glance, the 1970 Charger RT commands attention with its full-width grille and hidden headlights, a feature that gave the front end a clean, intimidating appearance. A new wraparound chrome bumper was introduced for 1970, giving it a sharper and more refined look compared to previous models. The rear featured a modified taillight setup with full-width lighting and a more sculpted bumper, further enhancing its road presence. The iconic RT badge, standing for Road Track, let everyone know that this wasn't just any Charger, it was the high-performance version built for speed and muscle. Under the hood, the 1970 Charger RT offered a variety of power plants that defined the muscle car era. The standard engine was a 440 cubic inch Magnum V8, producing 375 horsepower. This engine delivered massive torque and incredible straight-line acceleration, making it one of the top choices for enthusiasts looking for raw power. For those who wanted even more, Dodge offered the legendary 426 HEMI V8. This engine was a beast, rated at 425 horsepower, and known for its high-revving race-inspired design. While it added a significant cost to the car, those who opted for the HEMI received a true street-legal race car. The HEMI-equipped Charger RT could run the quarter-mile in the low 13-second range, which was blisteringly fast for its time. Charger RT was more than just a straight-line drag racer. Dodge engineers paid attention to the suspension setup and handling to ensure it could manage corners with confidence. The car used a torsion bar front suspension and a leaf spring setup in the rear, which, while not revolutionary, gave it a solid and responsive ride. The RT package also came with heavy-duty suspension components and larger brakes to match the performance of the engine. Inside, the 1970 Charger RT offered a driver-focused cockpit with performance-inspired features. Bucket seats, a 3-spoke steering wheel, and optional rally gauges with a 150 mph speedometer and tachometer added to the excitement. Though the materials were typical for the era, the layout was functional and bold. Dodge also offered a range of options, including air conditioning, upgraded audio systems, and various trim packages to customize the Charger to suit the buyer's taste. One of the reasons the 1970 Charger RT is so beloved today is its cultural impact. It became an icon not only because of its design and performance, but also because of its appearance in film and television. It was prominently featured in movies like The Fast and the Furious and the classic TV series The Dukes of Hazzard, further embedding its image in the minds of car lovers across generations. The Charger's bad boy image, combined with brute power and unique style, made it a favorite among gearheads and collectors alike. Production of the 1970 Charger RT marked the end of the second generation before Dodge introduced a more fuselage-style body for 1971, while the later models had their own appeal. Many consider the 1970 model the pinnacle of the Charger's muscle car era, with fewer than 10,000 RTs produced in 1970, including a small number equipped with the 4 to 6 HMI. These cars have become highly sought after in the collector car market. Their value continues to rise, and a well-preserved or restored example can fetch a premium at auction today. Driving a 1970 Charger RT is a visceral experience. From the deep rumble of the V8 to the way the car plants itself under acceleration, it reminds you what real muscle cars were all about. Raw, unfiltered. Power paired with classic American design. It's not just a car, it's a time machine back to an era when horsepower was king and every drive felt like a trip to the drag strip. The legacy of the 1970 Dodge Charger RT lives on, not only through restoration and preservation, but through its lasting impression on car culture. It remains one of the most iconic and respected muscle cars of all time, a true masterpiece from an era defined by speed, noise, and style.